hear me out. No heavy thoughts, just absence all around. I move my hands to prove I'm still in place, but even touch feels distant and erased. The world goes dim without a reason why. No crash, no burn, just something slipping by. I try to reach it, but it won't reply. Like everything I feel just passes by. It's not a storm, it's worse than anything. A quiet void that swallows everything. It's like a switchblade buried in my head. It flips to nothing or it cuts to red. No steady ground, no middle I can find, just sharp extremes that tear me every time. Sometimes a spark ignites and disappears, a flash of something almost close to fear. It vanishes before I understand and leaves me empty, standing where I am. They talk, I hear the shape of what they mean, but it's like watching life through a dirty screen. I play along, I say the lines on cue, a ghost rehearsing how to act just like you. I take the weight of anything instead. This hollow echo inside my head. It's like a switchblade buried in my head. It flips to nothing or it cuts to red. No steady ground, no middle I can find, just sharp extremes that tear me every time. If I could break, at least I'd feel the fall, instead of nothing, nothing there at all. I search for proof there's something left of me, but all I find is blank infinity. I'm still here, I know, just somewhere deep below. It's like a switchblade